To you. Go there, ate, in front.
Happy birthday, dear Lexa. Happy birthday to you.
Blow.
Ay, Ate Lexi's turn naman.
Welcome to another episode of Lex and Candace Tupa's Family Adventures. I'm with, and there's Ate and Kuya, and we all there, and Mommy Karina. We'll have dinner. Where are we gonna go? No, we're going to Wano. So we had a feature of that, and now we're going back there because it's really good food and really good price. So it's just 900 pesos per person. Eat all you can, including wagyu, beef, tempura, ramen, and all the food that is available in the buffet. And we're there. It's actually 1/8, but it's 50% off. But we're there because of Alexa's upcoming birthday. So they're here just for this weekend, so that we're together to celebrate her birthday weekend. Let's go, guys!
You met that later.
Okay, so we're now on our way. We're here now in Atria. So this is me and Candace is our third time, and it's the first time Alextam for Alexa and for Grandma and the birthday celebrant, Alexa. We're back, Wano, hello! Okay, this is the dessert. The food, so it looks the same. Hello. And wow, so still the same, but it's now medyo full. Oyster lang, medyo mabilis maubos yung oyster. Tempura, kuya, it's there. The salad is there. And you order wagyu, you can order as much wagyu as you want. And there's the tempura. And you can order ramen. Okay, it's eat all you can here in Wano. Let's go, guys. Go ahead. Ate, birthday celebrant. This is eat all you can. And order ka na ramen and wagyu also, beef, ha? So guys, may deep fried tofu, the oyster motoyaki, but you get this na, sayang eh. Steaks there.
May steak na sachet.
Yes, guys. The same. Lextom. Nag-CR sila ni Lextom, huh? You like this? The wagyu?
I tried it.
You like it?
Yeah, good.
Okay. So you eat a lot, huh? Okay, so it's Sunday and we're on our way to hear Mass. And after Candace Tupas decided that we will be sponsoring Mass for today because it's Alexa's birthday in the next few days. Right, Kuya?
Yeah.
Yes. So let's go and hear Mass to get ask for God's blessings, especially for our birthday celebration. Hey guys, it's a rainy Sunday and we're gonna hear Mass at our village chapel. Okay. And we have our usual place where we sit. It's strategic, nasa harap. We want to sit in front, but at the same time, we also want to, make sure na hindi mainit for us. We're doing the offertory. And also Alexa's birthday. Si Candace is there and si Lex. Go, guys.
1 hour later.
Okay, so we're about to have advanced birthday celebration lunch for Alexa, as we are all complete here now in our house in Iloilo. So we're just waiting for some guests. And by noon, we'll be having our celebration. There's Ate. There's Alexander. And my guests are here. Wawa for the birthday. Si Tita. Mga titas are here.
Hi, Tita.
So we're all complete, guys. Ready for birthday of Alexa. Lexi is already ready to eat. Okay. Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday, dear Alexa. Blow ka ng cake, ate?
Anong next na birthday?
Happy birthday.
To you.
Happy wish.
September, ano? Oh, I know.
Okay, wish.
Come here.
Okay.
May oras sa akong kay I know die after me.
Okay, Lexi.
Tarligo ka nito.
Okay. Okay, so, okay. O, pa-picture ka, Anay. Go there. Sa middle. Mommy. Quick Iloilo trip, right, Alexa?
Yes.
So, did you enjoy, ate? Even just for a very
And Lexi's
quick visit.
sleeping.
Yeah, Lexi's sleeping. Just like there with Mommy Candace. So, we're on our way to the airport to catch our flight. Yes, but the birthday special episode will not end here, as the main day of the birthday of our birthday celebrant Alexa will still happen in the next few days, and we'll bring it to you guys also with this vlog. So wait a minute, guys, as here it is, the main day simple celebration in Metro Manila, because we're done here in Iloilo City for the birthday weekend of Alexa. Quick birthday weekend is done. Going to check in our luggage as we go back to Manila. Medyo may bagyo lang ngayon, kaya kailangan mag-ingat tayo.
Still watching Lex and Candace Lupa's Family Adventures.
Okay, so we're back in Manila. Actually, kanina pa kami lumapag yung eroplano. Right, Kuya? And Ate sa the back. It's so traffic sa EDSA. And guys, it's 10 p.m. Dumating kami siguro sa Makati around 9 o'clock. Or a little past 9. And then we left around 9:30. Now, time check, it's around 10:20. Andito pa rin kami sa EDSA. Medyo stuck in traffic going to Green Hills. So welcome to Metro Manila. Anyway, we'll have more videos to show to you guys in a bit of our dear Alexa's 14th birthday. Happy birthday, Ate. Ate, happy birthday. Guys, so we just finished having dinner just here in the house. So I'll show you some pictures. And at the same time, we also just finished eating more at the mall as Alexa checked some of her favorite toys and cards. So there, guys. Thanks for watching. And again, happy 14th birthday to our dear eldest child, Alexa. Bye, guys. Join us again in our next vlog. Please like, comment, and subscribe.
Tomato sauce.